Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your rider and account before traveling to Jorvik Stables. Reach riding level 8 so you meet basic access requirements and ride confidently. Complete the Moorland Beginner questline of 3 quests to unlock region access and related story triggers. Make sure you have at least 50 gold ready for an initial registration fee or small purchases. Save frequently, and check your quest log for any remaining prerequisites before you travel to the stables area. Travel to the Jorvik Stables region after you finish the required questline and confirm your level. Locate the stable manager NPC near the main barn and approach to start the unlock quest. Talk to the NPC and accept the tasks listed in your quest log to begin the registration sequence. Follow quest markers and complete each objective shown, such as delivering items or performing short rides. Finish every step in the order given to trigger stable access and new dialogue reward. After completing the unlock quest, pay the 50 gold registration fee when prompted in the dialogue to finalize access. Confirm that you want to claim the stable slot so your account gets storage and management features. Once claimed, access services like boarding, grooming, and stable management from the barn menu to manage horses. Buy a horse or move an owned horse into that stable using in-game currency and the horse transfer options. Test access by leaving and returning to confirm the stable stays claimed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.